Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joe Hindi, the Android Authority app guy. It's nearing the end of February, which means it's time to take a look at the best new Android apps from the last month. Brave Browser isn't really a new application, but rather a rebranding of an old favorite. It used to be called Link Bubble before Chris Lacey sold it a while back. It retains most of the features it used to have, but now also includes ad blocking, tracker protection, and some additional settings. It's also now entirely free with no in-app purchases. It's a fun way to deal with links quickly, and more features are coming soon. Chromer is another browser application that's been receiving some big changes lately. It now comes with bubble browsing functionality similar to Brave Browser. It also allows applications to open up in Chrome custom tabs even if they don't inherently come with that functionality. Of course, any link can be opened in the standard Google Chrome if you have that installed. It's a good way to experience Chrome custom tabs and bubble browsing simultaneously. Foody is a free camera application brought to you by the same people who do the Line messaging service. It's a simple camera application with about 24 filters designed to make your food look even better. This is obviously targeted at people who take copious amounts of pictures of their food, and the app is designed specifically for those people. It's entirely free with no in-app purchases and works rather well, so it can't hurt to try it out. Forex Signals is essentially what the name says it is. It's a signal service that automatically sends Forex signals to your trading account. This is an Android app extension of an existing web application that does essentially the same thing, so if you use the web edition, then all you have to do is sign into the app version to get started. Of course, if you have no idea what any of the words I'm saying means, then you probably can't use this app at all. Hub Keyboard Preview is a new keyboard application from Microsoft's Garage project that aims to keep you typing where you're typing instead of having to switch applications. For instance, there is a contacts button on the keyboard that will fish out names and phone numbers so you don't have to leave what you're doing to go find it. Hub Keyboard also has Office 365 support, translation support, and a lot more. It is new and it does have some issues, but this keyboard has a lot of promise. IfMyShake is an application that was developed by some people over at the University of Berkeley. The idea behind this application is that it can sense vibrations and then let you know how strong they are. This is primarily meant as an earthquake measuring application, which means it could potentially be useful pretty much anywhere that has earthquakes. It's completely free to use, has logs, including safety tips, and a whole lot more. If you live in an earthquake-prone area, you should probably give this a shot. Promo Codes is a unique application that allows developers to use their promo codes as advertising opportunities. For consumers, you download the application and then once every 12 hours you check and see if you've won a promo code. If you have, you've won a free application or at least some in-app purchases inside of an application. If not, you're still shown the application and you can try again in 12 hours. It's a fun way to check out some fun new apps and potentially even get some free ones. Slash Keyboard is a new keyboard application that combines an old idea with a new concept. With this idea, you can type a slash symbol and then get access to a bunch of information from various apps. For instance, you can type slash Jiffy Puppies and get a quick gif of some dogs, or slash maps Times Square to get directions to Times Square. It's a fun premise and comes with support for a variety of services, including Spotify, YouTube, Google Maps, Jiffy, Google Search, and a lot more. Spritely is another application that came out of the Microsoft Garage project this month. This one is a content creation tool that you can use to create stuff for yourself or your business. It's a fairly simple application that really just creates fancy looking graphics for social media sharing, but it can be useful for many different reasons. It also looks nice, works well, and it's entirely free to use. Sundance VR is a VR video application that has some good little clips of VR stuff for you to watch with your compatible device. The selection isn't too great just yet, but we expect more content to be added over time, and really the only complaint about this application from users is that it doesn't have a lot of content just yet. Even so, it's a fun little app to use if you have access to VR, and it could be worth a little more later when the application gets more content. Once again, I'm Joe Hindi, the Android Authority app guy. While you're here, you might as well subscribe to the Android Authority YouTube channel. If you want to check out any of these Android apps, you can find those links in the video description below, along with the written companion link, as well as a bunch of awesome videos that you should be watching. As always, thanks a bunch for watching, everybody, and have a wonderful day.